What's up, everybody? I'm here at the First Choice Community Center in Columbia. Today, we're gonna cook up some healthy recipes that taste great. Let's get started. We're back again for another healthy cooking segment with Brooke Brittain, Clemson Rural Health, and registered dietitian. And we have some bananas and some honey. I don't know where we're going from there, but
you're liking
I'm
it
excited.
already.
I'm already excited.
Already liking the ingredients.
Yes.
All right, so Marcus, we got another quick, easy snack that could work for adults or for children, either
Okay.
ones. We all like snacks, we all need them.
No doubt.
Just a handful of simple ingredients again. So you'll see on the cutting board, and you have a pack near you, whole wheat tortillas. So again, these are your whole grain option. So look for these instead of your regular flour ones because you got way more fiber, more nutrition. Big tip I always tell people, if you're trying to figure out if it's a whole grain or not, look for the first ingredient. First word should be whole.
Okay.
So if it says anything else, it's not 100% whole grain. So
First
look
word,
for that.
whole.
Could say enriched or bleached or something else, and make sure you got a whole grain, it'll say whole. So we're set, so we got our whole wheat tortilla.
Perfect.
So what we're gonna add to it, we're gonna make a little mixture. I'll have you help me as well.
Okay.
So we got options, right? Again, we love having options. We did it for our ants on a log and some of these other recipes where you can use peanut butter or you could use the nut butter. Both are really good options. Both have good health benefits. Some people have allergies to peanuts, so that would be a great option to do the sun butter instead. But
And it
both
tastes
are good
pretty
choices.
good,
And they
too.
taste good too, we found. Yeah, tastes really good. So we have that. And next to it, we do have some honey. Again, that natural sweetness, you get that good benefit if you do local honey, that it helps with your allergies. One of those neat little fun facts. So gives that good sweetness too. So I'll let you add, if you want, you can
Okay.
add that honey right to that bowl.
I'll do that. Oh, adding the honey to the bowl.
Yep, add the honey to the bowl.
Got you.
We'll stir that around a little bit.
Mix those up together.
Yeah, and then we'll have one more ingredient we'll add in that bowl, the cinnamon that you see sitting next to you.
Perfect.
Cinnamon is a great substitute, and you can just shake a little bit in here, or you can use your measuring spoon if you'd like. Doing about a fourth of a
Real quick.
teaspoon.
Fourth of a teaspoon.
Yeah, fourth of a teaspoon. We found cinnamon's a great substitution. A lot of people like to use it on sweet potatoes. So, you know, sweet potatoes have a little bit more benefit than that regular baked potato, and it just adds like a good little sweetness. So you can add that in certain recipes, and
Nice
that'll give you,
spice. Oh,
it's a good
yeah.
one to use. That's looking good, Marcus. On the plate next to you, we got some bananas. You'll know tons of benefits, a great fruit. Again, packing some things like potassium, which is great for your heart health and overall health. So we'll make
looking
like a
pretty
little
good, too.
spread. So I'll do the spread part, and then I'll have
Okay.
you help me add some bananas to it. So just kind of
works.
spreading it on here, doing a light spread.
So you're really kind of making it like a quesadilla.
It is kind of like one of those quesadillas we made before, only we were using chicken and onions and peppers. Now we
Right.
got some sweet stuff, some nut butter or peanut butter, and
That's
some
another
cinnamon,
thing about
some honey.
cooking. I mean, you can just
Yeah.
get creative.
You
and
can
really do
substitute
what you
things
want.
in and out. So I'll have you add some bananas, just kind of layer them on there.
Perfect.
And that's a good go-to snack for adults or kids. When Marcus is done placing the bananas on it, we're gonna fold it over, and I'm gonna cut it into a few pieces. Marcus's favorite part, as he likes to do, is taste test things.
Oh yeah.
So we'll fold that over, cut Marcus off a piece to try. And what I tell people too, you know, anybody can make these. Kids like to get involved when they actually get a hand and get to help do something.
I can see why.
All right, Marcus, I'm gonna serve it up to you. Take a bite and see what you think.
Thank you, Brooke.
Another thing I do want to mention too, you could heat these. So that the skillet would be a great way to just kind of heat them up, and you could tell that peanut butter would probably melt a little bit more and even add another level to it. So this would be a good one too, you could heat as well if you'd like. What do you think?
So creamy. So
Creamy?
So just fresh and just. It's what I thought it'd be.
Good,
It's really good.
good. Another
I
one
love
to
it.
add to the list.
Absolutely. So take this recipe. What I've been learning is that you can have fun with it. You can have fun with it. You can make it your own. All right, and you can also be healthy at the same time, which is what we're all about here at Select Health First Choice Fit.